welcome back to my channel. I have a program to attend this weekend, and as it says, my hair looks grown. Okay, the last time I re-locked was about a month ago, and after locking, usually how once I lock, I go in with a protected hairstyle, either with a false extension. Okay, but last month I decided to just allow my hair to breathe without any protective styles, and it's been a month already. Today I am looking at going to relocking. All right, so I've had this washed with my shampoo and conditioner, and usually I would not use this because I'm of the opinion that by the time I get to the salon it would have dried out. Okay, but the weather is cold, and funny enough, for some reason these days I really feel cold, like in my hair or my head. Okay, so I just want to blow it up a little before I go, so not anything much. Okay, I just finished washing my hair and it feels so clean and light. I used a mild shampoo to get rid of the buildup, especially around the roots, and followed up with a moisturizing conditioner just to soften the strands. One thing I have come to learn on this log journey is the importance of keeping your hair clean, not just for scalp health, but to prevent any product residue from building up and causing itchiness or breakage. Now, normally I'm a big fan of air drying, but today the weather is freezing and I am not going to catch a cold in the name of a natural hair routine. So instead, I'm using my hair dryer. Nothing intense, just a low heat setting to gently dry out the excess water. I am keeping things simple, just trying to keep myself warm while making sure my hair is dry enough to avoid that damp, musty smell that sometimes comes when we air dry in cold seasons. Now here is the catch: drying your hair properly, especially when you have locks, is so important. Damp locks can trap moisture and lead to mildew. Yes, mildew. So when it's cold, just don't take chances. This part may seem small, but it's such an essential step in your hair routine or hair journey, especially your locks journey. So you should take keen interest, okay, in ensuring that you dry your hair properly. Growing my hair naturally. Okay, I stopped relaxing my hair because I was getting tired of all the heat and chemicals that my hair has had to come into contact with almost every month or 2 months, and so these are some of the things I was running away from, but I still have it. So like today I'm using it. I can't remember the last time, but the last time I had to dry my hair was when I had the extensions, and anytime I wash we had to blow dry it, okay, so that we can re-twist it. All right, so let's continue. While I dry, let's keep chatting. If you are watching this and you are new to the lock journey, or even still considering starting, just know that it comes with patience. Like I've said in my previous videos, patience, routine, and a bit of attention. I do not really overthink starting the logs. However, what I've noticed is that if I had taken a little pain in overthinking it, maybe I would have gone in for smaller sizes of locks, okay, because I believe that too could look better on my face, my head and all that, but I am still of the belief that these locks are definitely with patience going to grow longer, and just as I'm able to use the same pattern for my extensions, okay, and it looks okay, it means that everything is going to work out okay. So I've just learned to enjoy each stage for what it is. My hair is growing, it's evolving, and it's going to be doing its own thing. All I just have to do is to support with everything that I can possible. I always like how it smells in my hair. It's so natural. It makes me breathe so well. It has a calming effect. And we know how clove has a lot of health benefits. I know, right? I just dried the hair and I'm still adding more water. But I needed to do it as well. What is Locs without enough water? Enough water. Yeah, I think this is okay. You see how when you add water, it makes the hair, let's see my back, isn't giving anything substantial. So this is me, clean hair, warm hair dryer in hand, and prepping for that fresh salon finished look. I love this little ritual because it gives me a moment to slow down, care for my hair. So I'm going to go in with oil, okay? Oil that has all natural ingredients. Talk about cloves, rosemary. And listen, if this helped you, if this video helped you or even inspired you to start and to stay consistent with your hair care, please do me a favor. Drop a comment and let me know where you are in your lock journey. Are you just starting in the budding phase, or are you a full-grown lock star already? Oils. Alright, so this is how I'm going to carry my hair to the salon. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs a little Locs inspo, and of course hit the subscription button if you haven't already. I've got more updates, tips and hair journey moments coming your way. Alright, remember that I cut or jumped on YouTube to document my Locs journey, and I am trying my best to do more